Alright, so I'm now on google.com, as you can see, and I'm going to show you an example of commercial versus informational search and what this intent might look like. So for example, if I was to search for the keyword dog training whistle, what we're likely to find are product list pages. In other words, if I was to click on this top result here, what I suspect we'll find is just a bunch of products that are listed on this page. So actually there's a little bit of content here, but then as I scroll down, exactly, bingo, this is what I was expecting to see. So quite a commercial commercial search in the sense that if someone is looking for dog training whistles, they're likely to be buying or looking to buy dog training whistles. So here we've got a product list page, which makes it easy for us to buy those. I'll scroll down a little bit more. What we usually find, as we do here, is some content. So this content is usually just for SEO purposes to try and help this page rank higher for dog training whistles. The way it does this, which we'll explain later in this course in a bit more detail, is by including keywords relating to dog training whistles or dog whistles. So here we've got dog whistles as a heading, got dog whistles mentioned again. And if I was to do a search here for dog whistle, we can see it's mentioned 29 times on this page alone. So quite a lot, as you can see. So that's good. Okay. So that's kind of what a commercial search intent might look like. Dog training whistles. If I go down a little bit more, we can then see there's a similar page here for Amazon. And here we're just going to get a bunch of products as well, products for dog training whistles. If I then go back to that query, and let's change it slightly. So instead of searching for dog training whistle, what if I put instead, what are the best dog training whistles? So that's, you can see here, we're now looking for information around this search. We're not necessarily looking to buy a dog training whistle straight off the bat. We're probably looking to find out, okay, which dog training whistle should I buy? Should I buy one that's high pitch? Maybe one that's low pitch? I've no idea what I'm talking about, but you get the idea. So here we have a blog which is rated at the top here. You can see this is actually coming up as a featured snippet, which we've touched on before. So here it's giving us more information about each of these whistles without us having to click onto this URL. But let's click onto it anyway. So 5 best dog whistles for training and hunting. And what I suspect we'll find here is just a bunch of information about the best whistles. So kind of like a blog. And that's exactly what we find. So here it's actually quite detailed. It's got a contents page, and then it goes into details about each of these products. Each of these products then incidentally is listed. So you can see you can buy these affiliate links on Amazon, but the purpose of this content is to try and inform users which are the best dog whistles or which is the best dog whistle to buy. So that's kind of what we would have expected to see from that search. Find one more example. If I scroll down a bit further, people also ask section, which I've also mentioned in section 1. So if I click on that drop down, we can see there's can you train a dog with a whistle? So people are also searching for that, and how effective are dog whistles? And people are searching for that as well. Just sticking with what are the best dog training whistles? We've got another here. I suspect this is probably a blog as well. Let's click on it and find out. So 5 best dog whistles in 2020 in UK. If I scroll down, yeah, I've got some information here. And again, very similar to that previous page, where we do actually have affiliate links to these particular whistles, but otherwise, yeah, pros and cons, it's just giving us information about these dog training whistles. So that's kind of giving you an insight into the differences between commercial and informational search, and this is going to be really useful when we do dive into our proper keyword research. Hope you found this video useful, and I'll see you in the next one.